What see it now, go to go running.
Man, they're worthless now, Brook School. You know.
And Brook School is there, what?
What does that have to do there, brother?
Brook School? And Portland, that, you know?
What does that have to do there?
No, you say you come from town. You say you come from Kingston
Well, it don't
13.
matter, brother. What does that have to do there?
Big man, come out of my vehicle.
It's a fool, man.
Come out of my vehicle, big man. Suppose you can afford a Ferrari, come out of my vehicle. I'm going to come fling out, try that the funny because you know you did go try, take me feet. Come on. Come on. Because you don't know where you come from.
Brother, you look like a Mexican and you go like Jamaican. What you what?
When you call me earlier, I did a lay down, man. That's what I want to
lay down, you say, what? Lay down, you say? Lay down?
What kind of
Hold on. You say a town, man. Me say lay down a while ago.
What kind of question that you ask me, driver?
Yeah, come out of my vehicle, big man. Big man, come out of my vehicle. Come out of my vehicle. You sell out country. Come out of my vehicle. You not go have no money.
Me sell out country?
You tell me say you come from town and you tell somebody on phone say you did a lay down. Me never hear a town man say them a lay down.
We talk so I told
Big man, come out of my vehicle. Come out of my vehicle.
Brother,
you not go have...
told me originally from country, brother.
You sell out country, big. You not have no money.
Sell out country.
Because you tell me say you come from...
Hold on.
Big man,
a taxi
you
run
sold... Big man,
what is this?
You sold country and yeah, listen to me, come out of it. You not gonna have no money for paying
a
your bank.
taxi run.
Me say your bank account empty.
Pay me money, right?
You sell out. Big man, me normally throw people out of my vehicle, man. Just come out and me shoulder them out, man. Me no want to fling you out, man. Come out of my vehicle, man. You sell out country. You sell out, big man. Go find one bicycle ride. Go where you go. You sold out country.